Hello, JCCF Jeddah. Um, we want to greet you happy 25th anniversary. We are so blessed na naging part kami ng JCCF and we will continue to do so kahit hindi tayo magkakasama. We always pray for the continuous blessing of the Lord to all the pastors, to all the leaders, and of course sa lahat ng mga followers ng ating Panginoong Jesus. Yes, we are so blessed that we are part of the JCCF family, and it's a milestone to celebrate the 25th anniversary. I hope nandiyan kami, pero but you are in our prayers. You'll be always in our hearts. Lahat po kayo, hindi po namin kayo nakakalimutan. Please keep us also in our prayers. And for sure, God will guide us through. And kayo po ang itinalaga ng Panginoon sa mga leaders ng JCCF Jeddah. We are so blessed to have you. We are so blessed for your lives. And hopefully soon we'll meet again, God willing. We just want to continuously pray para sa kabuuan ng JCCF Jeddah. And yes, we bless you. We are always praying for all the activities of the JCCF and to continue serving the Lord. And please keep us in our prayers, in your prayers. And nandito lang po kami. We are also praying for all of you, our dear brethren and sisters. So we missed you. Sorry, this is an impromptu video, pero God knows our hearts. Magpalay po kayo ng Panginoon, and please keep us in your prayers as well. Thank you, and God bless you all. Happy 25th anniversary, JCCF.
Happy anniversary, JCCF family. Bye-bye.
Bye.
God bless. God bless.